Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on NLP course. Today we will look how can we clean our text and what are the pipeline or what are the steps we have to go through. So guys, cleaning up the text data is very necessary because it highlight attributes that we are going to want our machine learning system to pick up. So guys, cleaning in the data typically consists of number of steps, and the steps are: first one is removing punctuation, then guys second step is tokenization, third step is removing stop words, and the last step is lemmatization or stemming. So guys, let's start with our first step, that is removing punctuation. First of all, have a look at our data set. I had already seen this before, and like earlier I had discussed that our first column is label, which is ham or spam, and the next column is the text of the message or body text. Then guys, after doing all these four steps, how our data will look, let's see it. This is the guys clean data. Here you can see that this is our body text, and last new column we had added is like this. Guys, we have every word separated in list. So guys, after completing all the steps, our data set will be looking like this. So moving further, how can we remove punctuation? That is our first step. So first of all, I am importing a string class, and string class has by default punctuation attribute which contains all the punctuation that is present. So here is the list of all the punctuation that are present. Guys, why we need to remove punctuation? Let's have look at an example. Here as you can see that both the sentence are actually same, but the only difference is that in first sentence or first string we have a full stop, that is a punctuation, and the second one there is no punctuation. Python consider both of them as different strings, but guys, we are going to focus at sentiments. Full stop, comma, these are the characters which does not take part or which does not contribute in sentiment. So we want to remove this. So guys, here I am removing punctuation by the function remove punct, and I am passing an argument that is text, the string in which we want to remove punctuation. So guys, let's look at the code. Here I am, first of all I am iterating through the text, each character by character. If the character is not present in string dot punctuation, means that if that character is not a punctuation, then I am returning the character. And lastly, I am joining it because we are here doing list comprehension, and list comprehension returns a list. So we want a string back, so we are here using join function. Guys, so what actually will be output here? The string we passed here, the punctuation will be removed and the same string will be passed again. So guys, here we are returning the string without punctuation. Now guys, we are adding a new column to our data set. This is guys, this line applies to pandas. Actually in pandas we can add a new column like this, data set name, then in square brackets we are giving column name. And what we are doing here, the function we created here, remove punctuation, we are passing every row of body text row by row. So guys, what will happen when we will run this code? Every row of here body text will be passed to this function row by row, and the punctuation that will be in that row is removed and return, and the string will be returned without punctuation. So guys, let's have a look. Here as you can see that the new column body text clean is present here, and here is no punctuation. Look, I have, here we were having apostrophe, but here apostrophe is removed. So guys, body text clean is now the string without punctuation. So guys, this was the simple step how we can remove the punctuation. I hope guys you have understand this step. In further step, we will look about tokenization and removing stop words. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like it, and don't forget to write the summary of the video in the comment section. See you in the next video.